Welcome to another math episode. Today we're going to learn how to solve a compound inequality that has the word OR on it. So a compound inequality has two or more inequalities within it, and it usually has the word and or. For this video, we are only going to focus on OR compound inequalities. So when you get that, we'll get straight to the point. The first thing you're going to want to do, and when you see it, it's usually going to show up like that, two inequalities. First thing you're going to do is solve each part of the inequality. We'll start with this one. This is just a single step equation. All you got to do is add 2. Now you got m is less than negative 6. Doing the other one, to get rid of that 8 at the bottom, dividing by 8, you just multiply both sides by 8. And that will knock off that 8. So now you got m is more than 8. So the first step is just to solve both inequalities. The second step, and the OR compound inequalities, is a lot easier. All you got to do is graph your solution within the same graph. Graph both answers together. Place answers on the same number line. So we're graphing m is less than negative 6. I'm going to go to negative 6 with an open circle going to the left because it says it's less than. And the other one, m is greater than 8. So I'm going to go to 8 with an open circle, and it's everything to the right because it says greater than 8. And that is it. Believe it or not, that is it, guys. Once you have both solution sets in the same number line, you are done. Let's try a harder problem. The first step to the problem, all you got to do is solve each inequality by doing what you know best, solving equations. So for this, your goal is to get b by itself, take away 3 on both sides. Now I got negative 10b is less than or equal to negative 40. Go to both sides and divide it by negative 10. And just remember, when you are dividing by a negative, people keep forgetting, my students keep forgetting, you gotta flip that sign. So now it's gonna be more than or equal to negative 40 divided by negative 10 is 4. Tackle the next equation next by getting b by itself, same thing, add a 10. This equation's a lot easier. Now you got 3b is less than or equal to negative 15 divided by 3. And you got b is less than or equal to negative 5. After you have solved both inequalities, all you gotta do is graph it on the same number line and you are done. Easy as that. So we'll do the pink one first. It says b is more than or equal to 4. You're gonna go to 4 with a closed circle because it says equal to, and it's everything to the right since it's more than. And now let's do the one in blue. You're gonna go to negative 5, closed circle again. b is less than or equal to negative 5, so everything less than or equal to it is going to be on the left. Once you graph both of those inequalities on the same number line, you are done. Most of these graphs with the OR compound inequality usually goes left and right, just like this graph right here. Alright, I want you to try this problem on your own. So take out a piece of paper and just copy the problem down and graph it on a number line. When you are done, unpause this video and check your answer. Here is the solution to that problem. They are both variables on both sides, inequalities with variables on both sides. So let's focus on the orange one first. You had to get rid of that 6m by subtracting, and then subtract 6 on both sides. That will get m by itself, and you got m is less than negative 11. Going to the equation in the purple, another one with variables on both sides. I just gathered all my variables on the left side, and at this part right here, don't forget guys, I'm going to keep reminding you in all these videos, if you are dividing by a negative, you have to flip that sign. So you got m is greater than negative 4. Once you have both of those solutions, all you have to do is graph it on the same number line and you are done. It's as easy as that. I hope that helped. If you need a video for and compound inequalities, I do have one of those, so check out my videos. Throw me a like and subscribe if I helped you, and I will see you on the next episode. Peace.